Yo, I think we're on. I'll see. Anyway, cool bean. So just kind of just going over the same price action we kind of found before, guys. You got this move down here and this leg up. Giving us price to the downside here. Still got my longs open in this area here from a few days ago because we never hit that target. So just going off what Crown's saying and all the moving averages and trend basically continuing to downside potentially through September, then maybe I'll still take a small long here, get a small bounce, and then looking for continuation further down, potentially all the way according to Crown down to this 1-to-1 area here, which is at 43,800. Not necessarily in one wick, and it might not get there, but this is kind of one of the key areas that comes up, not on this Fibonacci, but on a whole bunch of other ones which are similar, including your kind of macro fibs, which are sitting around about 44k. So this is definitely going to be an area of interest, potentially for a major reversal. We shall see. Obviously, time will tell. We're not too fussed about that. We just want to try and catch the moves as they come, steal a wee bit of cash on a daily basis. So yeah, I'll leave my next long there, and then let's see where it goes. If it does go there, then we can actually predict the potential rejection areas here. So if it reaches that, gets a bounce, I mean, you could potentially take, that's nearly a $2,000 move, even if it just gets back up to the 236. More often than not, if it's bearish, it'll get rejected at 382. So we're kind of back up here at that 60k level. It would be a nice place to rejection for a bit more of a ferocious downside move that might take us all the way to 54 or something. But these will be the levels I'm keeping an eye on. And once you have the levels, it's a case of, right, okay, where's the setup? And we'll be using other indicators here to give us that kind of edge that, right, things are about to kind of move in one way or another, So obviously pressure's still down at the moment. You can see this price action just wanting to roll off a cliff here, and I think maybe that's not deep enough. Nevertheless, we've got it there. It's been set up for a few days. It would be a second test fundamentally of this area here. So yeah, we'll look for a wee bounce there, and then let's see what happens. If it goes right through, it's not the end of the world. We can have a stop loss pretty close by, and you're not going to take a big hit. Well, assuming we're keeping our margin ratios low here, and we're just looking to scalp out some cash from the market. So if it's a small bounce, take your money and then wait for the next setup, and that'll make itself obvious. And it may be a short, as I say, from 58 or 60. Can't really predict price action that far ahead. We just need to wait and see what happens, particularly over the weekend. But like I was saying in that wee message, actually, it wouldn't surprise me if price grinds up here today to, wherever it is on CME, that gap right here. So we're down here somewhere at the minute, like 58,500. Just a move up to there would make sense before it kind of things turn around. It may get a wee bit higher. We'll just have to wait and see. Ideally though, I'm not really going to take necessarily that shot at the CME gap. I'll try and catch a bounce here, unless there's very obvious signals that are saying, okay, it is going to short from the CME gap. Then you could try a wee scalp there, see what happens. We would need to find it on here though, something, because there is a price discrepancy between CME and spot price action or perps. I just tend to do my charts on the bit by bit perps chart. Some people use the index. Anyway, hope that helps, and I'll see where we go this week. Excited for it tomorrow morning on Discord.